Hey guys, welcome back to SJ's TechnoHub. Today we're going to discuss about the style attributes in HTML. And the style attribute allows you to apply direct CSS to individual HTML elements. How exciting, isn't it? Moreover, it's a great way to quickly customize the HTML elements. And you don't need a separate CSS file. Everything is right there in your HTML. But using a CSS file for me is a better way to apply CSS when you're working in larger and bigger projects. So for now, let's just go through it so that it's easy for you to learn. Let's code. For the ease of demonstration, I've already added some elements with respective texts. We are now going to apply styles to these H1 and paragraph tags. For the hello world, let's apply style, and we are going to have the color of blue here. Let's just quickly save the file. And now for the p tag, let's just add styles here as well. Let's have a color of red and font size of 20. So yes, this is a red paragraph with some larger text. So same for the next paragraph tag. And it will have the background color to be yellow and padding of, let's say, 10 pixels. And we have our styles. For the last paragraph tag, we will have, so let's have it centered and bold. So here you go. We have our styles complete. Now let's save the file and copy the path once more. Now let's refresh this page, and here you go. We have the color blue here, the color red with the font size of 20 pixels, and we have a background color of yellow here, and this text is aligned center. So here you go, folks. So this was it for today. See you in the next video.